Good day everyone, welcome to this Bootstrap series course. So we are still on our grade system. So in the last section I forgot to show you something. Here you can actually, let's look at our, here you can actually add a under row. For this, adding this, you hold your shift and your alt down button. Let me add extra to and save this. Can you actually see this? So that's what I want to point out, so you actually know. So I'll just Ctrl Z and save again. So I'll be going to the column. Now how they work: columns build on the grid flex architecture. When building grid layout, all content goes in column. Bootstrap includes predefined classes for creating fast responsive layout. So let's move to this section, which is called alignment. Using flex box alignment utilities to vertical and horizontal alignment column. Now we'll be talking about the vertical alignment. Now changing the vertical alignment with any of the responsive alignment item class. Now let's see how these work. Right, so I just want to copy this because of the contents. I would like to copy this because of the contents. So I'll just copy this. I will explain. No, okay, I should not copy. So I should use my code here to actually explain this. Now I want to actually put a height here, so to differentiate what I want to actually achieve. So now I will add my style. I believe you know CSS, so you know how to use style. So I'll call this 500 pixel and I'll save this. So this is what's happening. So now I want to use this class called, let me minimize it. I want to use this class called alignment starts. So let's see what it will actually give us. So I'll put it on in my row and call my row class. I'll just save this and let's go to the, you see, let me do Ctrl Z for this, let me do Ctrl Z for this and save again. You see, let me undo and save again. You see, now we can actually have alignment item start, alignment item center, and alignment items end. So let's do the center to take it to the center. So just, you see, at the end will take it to the last part of the height. So you see, so that is for that. So let's move on. This is the center, that is the center, and this is the last part. Can you see end? So let's move on to this other one. Changing the alignment of each column individually with any of the responsive alignment aligned self, sorry. Now this, I'll be taking this out. So now we have alignment self starts, just like the other aligned items center, and now we'll be doing this align self starts. So let's go to, I want to save this because I've removed the class align items starts. So I'll just save this. Sorry, I don't need you. I'll just save this. So do you see? Now I want to copy this to make my work fast. Instead of typing it, I'll just paste it on my column. it's called self, that is individually. So I'll just go to my and save, sorry, and save. Do you see? And save. I've saved it. Now if I paste it here too, and here I'll get the same results, just like the align item center. This one is for save, that is individual. So I can change this to, I can say center, to take it to the center. You see center. I will say end. This will take it to the end. You see, it has gone to the end. So that's for that. So we'll be talking about the horizontal alignment, changing the horizontal alignment with any of the responsive justify content class. So now I want to move this style height 500 pixel to my container. I will just cut this with Ctrl X, not SX. So I'll paste it here with Ctrl V, and I want to save this. You see, start from the beginning. So save. So let's come here and get this justify content start. I will copy this. Now I need to remove I want to comment this particular one to actually get results on what I actually need. I'll just save this. So I'll just save this. You see, adjust now. Defaultly it will start from the beginning. Now if I put my justify content start, it will not get anywhere because it's just starting here. But let me put center. I will see some effects. Do you see center? If I put end, it will move. Do you see? So that's for that. So now WAV around. Now there's something I want to actually do. I'll just duplicate this. So 3, 4, 5. Let me leave it at 5. And I'll save. Let me go to my this 5. So now this will be, I want this to be starts. This will be starts. You see that starts. I want this to be center. To be center. Now we have other class name here. We have justify contents around. Now let's see what that will give to us. Around. Now save. Let's see that. You see what around did? This around. This justify content end. This justify content start. This justify content center. This around shifted, gives just a little space between them. You see. Let me remove this and do the end. You see. Able do control and save. You see. Now we have content between. Let's see, justify content between. Let's see what this will do. You see, it took and give space at the middle. went to the ending part, the two, and we have evil. Evelyn, is it evil or Evelyn? Evelyn. So this is what it will actually do. Do you see? It's almost behaving like around. So that's for us. So we'll not be talking much about this. Let's just talk about the reordering of class. Reordering of class. The reordering of class will have order and the rest. So I'll be giving these numbers. I'll be giving this. Let me uncomment this. So let me uncomment this. I want to take this out. So I'll be having only 3. Yeah, okay. So let me number this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No. So let's use this is the other class. So now here I'll just say order. I want to take it to the, now if you can see the number now here. This is the starting, it starts it. So let me put 5 or 3 here. I can actually say 5. You see, took it to the last part. I can come here and say order. I can say 2. No 2. I will just, let me say 4. Take it to the last one. Use it to order, to take it to different position. So that's for that. You can use order last. I think it's the same thing. Let's try that. Let's make this. Let's let this one, we want to make it the column 6. We want to make it order first. We want to make it order first. Let's see. You see? Order first. So it's still the same thing in words and in number. You can actually use anyone you want to use. Okay, let's talk about this offsets before we move. Now offset is to actually this space. Now I want to comment this, or comment this also, or comment this also. So I'll come here, I will say this. Oh sorry. I'll come here and save this. It should be 2. So I want to set this. I want to remove this content. I want to save it to the normal. So this, let's do this very fast. And offset. Let's offset. MD4. I'll just come here and paste this here. Sorry. Sorry. This should be yes. This should be 4. Sorry, not. Let me do this. It should be 4. Sorry, I'm on my VS Code. That is why. Do you see that it shifted? It went. You see 4 is it moved directly. So if I come here again and just copy this and paste this here and save, you see it moved down, it moved to the next one. So let me remove this and save. Are you seeing? The first one, there is nothing there, so the first one maintain its position. The second one should be here now, so it moved. So that is offset. It's just like the other. No, it's not just like the other. The other is just be moving to the particular position. This one now, you need to be giving spaces for it. So thank you for joining me in this section. I would like you to join me in the next section, so we'll continue the next section. Thank you very much.